Sam, be honest. Budgets never work, right?
Wrong. Most budgets fail because people follow the wrong rules.
Wrong rules.
Yeah, rules that look perfect on paper but collapse in the real world.
So it's not about how much I earn.
Exactly. Whether you make $1,000 a month or $10,000, the same principles apply.
And no complicated math?
Promise. No endless spreadsheets, no financial jargon, just 5 simple proven rules that you can start using today and actually stick to.
5 rules?
5 rules, and they might just change everything.
Wait, pay yourself first, before rent. That's crazy.
Think about it. Your landlord won't retire for you. If you wait until after bills, rent, and takeout, there's nothing left.
Yeah, but rent is huge. I can't just skip it.
Of course not. Paying yourself first doesn't mean ignoring bills. It means making savings a non-negotiable expense.
Non-negotiable? Like rent?
Exactly. Imagine your future self as another company you owe money to, except you own that company. When your paycheck arrives, you pay Future You Inc. before you pay the power company.
Why first, though?
When if you do it last, life will find a way to spend it. We're all experts at finding new expenses.
I just take 10–20% off the top, every time.
Yes, and if that feels impossible, start with 5%. The habit matters more than the amount. Think of it like the gym. You don't start with 200 pounds on day one. Every raise, every side hustle payment, bump the percentage a little higher.
So, the goal is to make saving automatic.
Exactly. Automation removes temptation. If you never see the money in your spending account, you'll never miss it.
This sounds like homework.
Flying blind with money is like driving with your eyes closed. You can't fix what you can't see. Whether it's an app or a simple spreadsheet, tracking every dollar is the foundation.
But every dollar? That sounds exhausting.
It's not. It takes 5 minutes a day, maybe less, and the payoff is huge.
Do I really need to track every coffee?
Yes, not because coffee is bad, but because those small amounts reveal your real spending habits. Awareness comes first, change comes later.
So you're saying my budget isn't enough?
Your budget is your plan. Tracking is your reality check. Without tracking, a budget is just a wish list.
But what if I find out I'm spending more than I thought?
Good. That means you have real data to work with. Imagine your budget says $200 a month on food, but tracking shows $350. Now you know where to focus.
And if I hate spreadsheets?
Then use an app. But spreadsheets give you full control. You see the numbers, the categories, and the totals. And they can be surprisingly easy once you learn the basics.
Yeah, I guess I could learn. So tracking isn't about judging myself.
No, it's about knowing yourself. The goal isn't guilt, it's clarity. And clarity leads to control.
Fixed expenses? What does that even mean?
They're the costs you can't easily change, month to month. Like rent, insurance, loan payments, utilities.
So, 50% of what?
Of your take-home pay. If you earn $3,000 a month, all your fixed expenses combined should be $1,500 or less.
Why 50%?
Because that leaves enough room for variable costs, like food, gas, fun, and savings. If fixed expenses eat up more than half, everything else gets squeezed.
Yeah, but what if my rent alone is already half my income?
Then that's your biggest financial anchor.
Anchor.
Think of your income as a boat. If your rent is too high, it's like dropping an anchor in deep water. You can row as hard as you want, but you won't get far.
Okay, but moving sounds like a huge step.
It is. But sometimes a big move is the only way to create breathing room.
So my options are.
Negotiate rent, get a roommate, refinance loans, switch insurance plans, cut subscriptions, anything to bring that percentage down.
And once I hit 50%?
Then you've got flexibility. You can handle emergencies, invest, or just enjoy life without the constant pressure of bills.
Huh. So keeping fixed expenses low is like buying freedom every month.
Exactly. The less you owe to others, the more you keep for yourself.
An emergency fund. Isn't that just savings?
Not exactly. An emergency fund is money you set aside only for unexpected events. Job loss, car repairs, medical bills.
So, like a backup wallet?
Exactly. Think of it as a financial airbag. You hope you never need it, but when you do, it can save you from a serious crash.
Why can't I just use my credit card?
Because debt is like pouring gasoline on the fire. If you lose your job and add debt on top, you're digging a deeper hole while you're already stuck in it.
Okay, so how much do I need?
Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. If your monthly costs are $2,000, your goal is $6,000 to $12,000.
That sounds impossible right now.
Then start small. Your first target is $500 or $1,000, enough to handle most small emergencies without touching debt.
And where do I keep it?
Somewhere safe but accessible, like a savings account. Not in the stock market. The point isn't to grow it, it's to protect it.
So I just add to it little by little.
Yes, treat it like any other bill you pay every month. This time you're paying future you for peace of mind.
And once I hit my target?
Then you can relax a little. Life will still throw curveballs, but you'll be ready to catch them.
A financial airbag. I like that.
Exactly. It's not exciting, but when you need it, nothing else matters more.
Review my budget every month. Isn't that overkill?
Not at all. Think of your budget like a GPS. You don't just set it once and never look at it again. You check it to make sure you're still on the right route.
I stick to my plan.
Then the review will be quick. But life changes. Maybe you got a raise, had a big expense, or your bills went up. If you don't adjust, your budget stops matching reality.
So what do I actually do during this review?
3 steps. First, compare your planned spending with what really happened.
Planned $300 for groceries, actual $450.
Exactly. Second, figure out why. Maybe food prices rose or you dined out more.
And third,
Adjust for next month. If groceries keep costing more, increase that category and reduce somewhere else.
sounds simple enough.
It is. And the more you do it, the faster it gets. Most people can review their budget in under 15 minutes once they've done it a few times.
What if I just skip it?
Then you're flying blind again. Over time, small overspends pile up and you wonder where your money went.
So the monthly review is like keeping my GPS updated.
Exactly. It's not about perfection. It's about staying on course, no matter what life throws at you.
Okay, GPS budgeting. I can do that.
That's the spirit.
So, no shame if I mess up.
The only shame is quitting. Budgets aren't static. Every month, review your spending, adjust your categories, and plan for what's coming next.
So if I overspend on groceries, I can fix it.
Exactly. Adjust. Don't abandon.
So, that's it. Just follow these 5 rules.
Yep, they're simple, but they cover 90% of what makes a budget actually work in real life.
And the other 10%?
That's you, your discipline, your goals, and your willingness to review and adjust.
All right. I guess I have no excuses now.
Exactly. You can start today. No waiting for a perfect moment. If you learned something here, hit that like button so the algorithm knows you found value. And subscribe, because we've got more practical money tips coming every week. Oh, and one last thing.
What?
Subscribe, like, and share this video with one friend who keeps saying budgets don't work. Let's prove them wrong together.
Deal. 5 rules. Simple enough.
Try them for 90 days.